After you, Austin's turn.
Careful, careful. It's hot, yeah. Don't touch it. It's hot. Yeah, it's yummy.
About Austin. Don't, ate on the fire lang, ay, the ano.
In the fire, guys. In the fire.
Okay, I'm watching. A bit closer, stand up. Go for it. Bit closer. Try to put the things a bit. Just, oh,
Oh, that's good, that's good.
Look at that. What?
That's good.
Yeah. What's the feeling? What the flip?
Come here, Austin.
Mom, is this spoon, Mom? Yeah, no, look at this.
If it's born pala, ano mapay?
Woo! Oh, this one!
Sky, can you help? Ate, help mo si Austin, ate.
Here. Here, Asher.
Hold on, Foxy. You only like this marshmallow to eat.
Nag-ulan-ulan lang.
Yan yung aking boss. Boss Austin.
Dito rin, 2 araw na umuulan. Wow, yummy. Akala ko naka-heater ka.
Oo, naka-heater. Pero pag nilabas ko dun sa may kusina, sa may lutuan,
Overall mo lagi. Dahil ang heater nyo nasa kwarto lang.
sa kwarto lang.
O Sen, baka lamukin ka dyan. No mosquito. Ipump mo.
What's that?
Hindi pa kumain si Kuya.
Toasty.